Hey guys, welcome to Surya Tech. I'm here with another video. Actually, sorry for the delay. Exams are going on, that's why I did not made any video. In this video, I'm going to explain some Samsung tips and tricks with Samsung C9 Pro. So let's begin. First of all, I'm saying about gaming launcher. First thing is gaming launcher. If you launch any game, here you can see one pop-up we got. Here if you press this thing, you can customize some things. You can record this gaming while you're playing, and also you can disable this black LED keys while you are placing your finger here. You can see some disturbance, so you can disable these keys. Next thing is video. In video player you can make small GIFs. I'll show you one sample. Video player. Wait 1 second. Here it should be. Off camera. 1 second. Here you can see. Here we can make some types of GIFs also. See, here we got this GIF option. Press it here and confirm. Okay, you can expand it up to here, and this now you can press, you have to press share. In this way we can create some GIFs or some, you can see this type of GIFs. And also another thing in this video is, I'll show you playing settings. In this way we can adjust the screen resolution also, and also you can make your video as a pop-up. You can see, you can place it anywhere, and also you can do some other works here. Let's go to another point. Next thing is multitasking. Multitasking in this way. For example, I have opened this Ghana application. Long press this multitasking key, and now press app list. Now you can see these all apps will support screen splitting. Now I'm selecting YouTube. In this way you can also work in both screens, both applications at a time. And also we have another feature. I'll show you. See, you can make a pop-up window. Here you can see, and also you can increase its size. In this way you can do many works. And also I'll show you another app. I'm selecting again Ghana application. Again I am making a pop-up. And also this application also became floating bar. You can see here. We can work in this way in both applications. You can launch all apps in this way. We go to next point. Another point is put application in sleepy mode. Here I'm selecting an app, Asphalt Nitro. You can see sleep option here over here. Just press it and OK. Now it will not consume any battery, or it will not push any notifications. It will stay in sleepy mode. When you will open it, it will come into active mode. Next we go to another thing is you can download themes from Samsung theme store. You can see Samsung themes. In this way you can apply many wallpapers and all themes. From the free themes are also available. You can see it's taking much time, sorry for the delay. And also you can apply our own custom icons. Where is it? I'll show you. Here it should be. Yes, I got here icons. You can see here. You can also apply these kinds of icons. It's not yet loading fastly. Sorry for the late. Actually my net is so slow. So you can see here these type of icons are available, and these are some types of themes. Let it be load, come on. Here are some themes. These are some types of free themes. Here we got in this way you can apply many kinds of themes to your Samsung C9 Pro. Next we move to another tip. Now you can customize always on display. Here I'm typing always on display. Here we go. In this way you can customize your all watch faces, etc. Here I have kept this one, analog clock. Next we move to another one. Another one is blue light filter. While you are using your phone in night, or you are traveling in bus or in car, you can feel some strain in your eyes, so you have to turn on this blue light filter. Where is it? It should be here. I'll show you. Even some apps are missing. Here is it, blue light filter. Just turn it on. In this way it will not allow blue light to reflect in your eyes. Okay, we move to next tip. Another tip is S-Secure mode. S-Secure mode. Here is it. In this mode you can activate fingerprint app lock. You can lock your apps through fingerprint, and also you can lock your Wi-Fi. Another one, we move to another one. Another one is adjusting brightness, flashlight brightness through status bar. Here when I'm activating this torch, here even I can also adjust its brightness. You can see, I'm trying to focus here. In this way I can also adjust my brightness. Oh, what's happening? You can see here. In this way it's increasing and decreasing. Next we move to another one. Here we also got this S battery mode, S power planning. You can see S power. We got two modes. First one is mid one. Mid one means you can only use some small apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. You can't play heavy games. You can play, but this mode will decrease the clock speed of processor. In this way it will save our battery. Another mode is, wait a second, S power planning. Here is it. Where is it? Yeah, power saving mode. Power saving. This maximum one. In this mode you can use only call or alarms or some reminders. Only these three things you can use, and also you can keep some alarms, etc. In this mode you can't activate camera or you can't do another things. This will help when your battery is so low. Okay, we move to another one. Next one is one hand operation mode. This mode I will say how it works. One hand operation mode, one hand mode. Here you can see when I'm turning it on, you have to do this kind of gestures. You can see in this way I can use this phone in one hand, and if I'm using it in left hand, I have to press this key. So wait a second. In this way I can use it with my left hand. So we move to another one. Another one is motion effect in wallpapers. I'll show you. Now I'm applying some wallpaper. Example this one. Oh, it's taking lots of time. 1 second please. Give me some time. Oh my god, this costs around 50 rupees. Yes, this one I want to apply it. Home screen. This setting you can see here, motion effect. Once you will set it on, you can see here motion effect set as wallpaper. Now I will show the magic. You can see please give me some time, it's not yet showing. You can see wallpaper is moving. In this mode I can't help you. Wait, I will apply another wallpaper. Where is it? I don't yet have nice wallpapers yet. For example, sorry for the late guys, actually I have many pictures, that's why I can't upload any type of wallpapers. Here we got some wallpaper, so let's download it. Where is the download option? Free. Here I'm downloading. I'll pause the video. After download I'll continue the video. Yeah, it is successfully downloaded. Now I'm uploading this wallpaper to our home screen. Apply home screen. You can see here motion effect. You can see set as wallpaper. Maybe I think now you can notice some 3D effect. I'm noticing some 3D effect. Once you try this, you can see you'll see some changes in your wallpaper. And I'm going to say another thing is Oreo update for Samsung C9 Pro. Samsung has been confirmed that Samsung will receive Oreo update, but Samsung did not confirm the date. Maybe it may receive in November of 2018. Let us wait. After Oreo update I will tell you all things, because this is also a flagship phone range specificational phone. because it also has 6 GB of RAM and also Snapdragon 653 processor, which is high end enough to play which is high end phone. Okay, sorry for the delay guys for this video. Actually exams are going on, I did not yet made any video. From now onwards I am promising you that every Sunday I will upload a video on Samsung C9 Pro. So please stay tuned to my channel and please hit that subscribe button and like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.